Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program that inputs three numbers and calculate two sums as per the rules given below. The sum one as the sum of all input numbers. That means all the three numbers are added and stored in the variable sum1. For sum 2, sum of non-duplicate numbers are added in sum 2. So sum 2 as the sum of non-duplicate numbers. If there is a duplicate number in the input, ignore them. So we will check the uniqueness of each number. If it is duplicate, that will be ignored. Only the unique numbers will get added. For this, we will write a Python program. I am declaring a variable num1 equal to integer of input of enter the first number. So here the input statement display the string enter the first number in the console. When user enters a number that is received as a string, that is converted into integer by this int function and stored it in the variable num1. Likewise, I am obtaining another two numbers from the user. Num2 equal to integer of input of enter the second number. Num3 equal to integer of input of enter the third number. So I obtain three inputs from the user. Now I am declaring a variable sum1 equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3. Three numbers are added and stored in the variable sum1. Next, I am going to perform an addition of non-duplicate numbers. For this, I am initializing a variable sum2 equal to 0. I am writing if statement if num1 not equal to num2 and num1 not equal to num3, give a colon. So number 1 not equal to number 2, number 1 not equal to number 3. That means number 1 is unique. If this is true, the AND statement will check the expression in the both the left and right side. If both are true, then only it will return true. So I'm giving a tab space for the scope of the if statement. So I'm giving a tab space for the scope of the if statement. Here I'm writing sum2 equal to sum2 plus num1. That means I'm adding number 1 with the existing value of the sum2 and store it in the variable sum2. When number 1 not equal to number 2 and number 1 not equal to number 3, I am performing this addition. Likewise, I am checking the uniqueness of the another two variable, and if they are unique, I am adding it in the variable sum2. So here, if number 2 not equal to number 1 and number 2 not equal to number 3. So colon, here sum2 equal to sum2 plus num2. If num3 not equal to num1 and num3 not equal to num2, colon. If the both conditions are true, I am adding sum2 equal to sum2 plus num3. So I am checking the condition, the uniqueness of the three number. I am checking number 1 not equal to number 2 and number 1 not equal to number 3. So I am adding it in the existing value of sum 2 and storing the result in the sum 2. Likewise, I am checking the uniqueness of the num2. I am comparing it num2 not equal to num1 and num2 not equal to num3. If the conditions are true, the AND will return true and the control will come inside the if statement. That the tab space always shows the scope the statement which is in the scope of the if statement, sum2 equal to sum2 plus num2. Likewise, if num3 not equal to num1 and num3 not equal to num2, I am adding this num3 with the existing value of sum2 and storing it the variable sum2. Now I obtain the both the rules given in the program. So I am calculating a sum1. This is the addition of given three numbers, and sum2. This is the addition of the non-duplicate number. Now I am going to print the results. Print. Now I am going to print the results. Print numbers are colon num1, num2, num3. So three numbers I am printing. Next I am printing print sum of three given numbers is colon the variable sum1. So I am printing sum of three given numbers is, so I am printing the sum1. So this is a string followed by comma and followed by the I am giving the variable sum1. The value of the variable sum1 will get printed. Next I am going to print the sum of non-duplicate numbers. Sum of non-duplicate numbers is colon, I am closing the string comma sum2. So I have print the given three numbers followed by sum of three numbers which is stored in the variable sum1 and sum of non-duplicate numbers and which is stored in the variable sum2. Now we will execute the program and check the result. First number I am giving 100, second number I am giving 200, third number I am giving 300. So the numbers are 100, 200 and 300. Sum of the three given numbers is 600 because 100 plus 200 plus 300 is 600. Sum of non-duplicate numbers is, that is also 600 because all the three numbers are unique. Now we will execute the program again and give some duplicate numbers. So here I am entering a first number 100, second number 100, third number I am entering 200. So here the sum of given three numbers is 100 plus 100, 200, 200 plus 200 is 400. That is correct. Sum of non-duplicate number is 200 because the first number 100, second number 100, the duplicate numbers are omitted. Only the non-duplicate number is added in the sum. So the program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.